Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to bring your attention to a software stock that is doing well in a market where it's hard to find good software stocks. This is Shift4 Payments, ticker FOUR. As you can see, FOUR is in somewhat of an uptrend. It's above all the major moving averages. We have a short little base of consolidation that it's been in for most of December here. And we just broke above that base today and did it on higher than average volume. Now, in a market where buying strength is not really being rewarded, I'd say this stock is a bit extended right now. So I would want to see this stock pull back to either the 8-day or the 21-day exponential period moving average and really find buyers at those levels. Because then, at least you're not buying high. And buying high in this market is a good way to say bye-bye to your money, as as a lot of us have found who enjoyed buying breakouts in 2020 and 2021. Hard to buy breakouts in 2022, and we don't know what 2023 is going to bring. And so what I found is buying within a base like this, close to major moving averages, has been much more rewarding than buying high. So I would look for 4 to come back to these moving averages here as a potential entry. If I flip to a weekly chart, you can see how it's above this 100-week moving average. Stock hasn't been trading for very many years. It only launched in the middle of 2020, and it was pretty much a straight shot to the moon, much like everything else in 2020. So this is definitely one that I would keep an eye on, even if you're not looking at it tomorrow, since it's the last trading day of the year. Keep an eye on this into early 2023, because this stock is outperforming now, and it could outperform into next year. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And on behalf of everyone at StockMarketMentor.com, I wish you the best for the upcoming new year.